it's me, Mackenzie, and right now I'm in the bed, and I'm gonna go play with my slime. I made it with face mask, um, face mask, um, shampoo, and baking soda and contact solution. So, I made it, and let's see if it's still the way it is. So, it's right here in this container. So, we're going to see how it is now. So, it's so liquidy right now. Like, you should look at it. It's so liquidy. That's what it looks like. And you're you to play with it. This is what it is. It's really like a yellowish type of look, but on camera it's white. See? Camera is white. And I made it with this stuff. I just had to rinse out the liquid, but I don't feel like getting up. So yeah. And this is my room. And yeah. And now yeah. Slime failed. It's terrible. I mean, it still kind of makes slime, but it's like liquidy. It can do the poke with 2 fingers test. It can do that, but it's terrible. Before, it was really good. So, yeah, guys. I don't know what to say right now. Yeah, it's ruined. It's ruined, so, yeah. Bye! Like, subscribe.
We serve more than 100,000 members throughout the Midlands and take pride in our Air Force roots.
Okay. So it won't stop.
It's about helping our members